Hello everyone. It's been a wet Saturday for some parts of eastern South Africa due to an upper air low that's been moving across the area. From our satellite imagery, we can see the mass of cloud that swept across the region, bringing showers and thunderstorms to the region. Some of those afternoon thunderstorms that developed over Gauteng and Mpumalanga as well as KwaZulu-Natal were particularly strong, and there were reports of hail for some areas. Let's take a look at your forecast for Sunday, and another weak front brushes over the southern parts, spreading rain from the peninsula in the morning towards the Eastern Cape. And in the afternoon, we're going to have a low pressure starting to deepen through the central parts of the country. And the significance of that is it's going to help to pull in lots of moisture from the ocean over the Eastern Cape, and by evening it's going to become especially wet over this province. Afternoon thunder showers redeveloping for some parts of the central and eastern interior. Here's your wind forecast for Sunday, and we expect light winds for the northern parts of the country once again, while moderate to fresh winds will redevelop over the western parts, and it's going to become especially windy along the Atlantic coastline towards late afternoon. The detailed provincial forecast shows colder weather settling into some parts of the Northern Cape, Springbok with a maximum temperature of only 15 degrees. And it's also going to be quite cold for the Western Cape with light rain from the peninsula into the Breda River Valley and all across the south coast and the adjacent interior. Light rain or drizzle spreading as far inland as Beaufort West and Graafrenet. Port Elizabeth, you're also likely to get some wet weather and a maximum temperature of only 17 degrees. Thunder showers expected for the northern and eastern parts of the Eastern Cape. Temperatures remaining low for much of this province, but Aliwal North, on the other hand, reaches a high of 26 degrees. Hotter weather expected for parts of KZN, Newcastle and Vryheid getting to 30 degrees, Ulundi at 31, and there is a possibility for thunder showers for most places. Scattered storms developing in the afternoon for Mpumalanga, Ermelo warmer with a high of 24, and it's going to be a particularly hot day in the far north of the country. Musina reaches a maximum of 38 degrees, and we once again expect wet weather for Limpopo. Isolated afternoon thunder showers for a hot northwest, Mahikeng, starting off at 14 degrees but climbing quickly to 31. And there's a very small chance for a few thunder showers as well over the Free State. It's also going to be a warmer day for most of this province. And that warm air also reaches Gauteng. Johannesburg gets to a pleasant 26 degrees, and we expect a few isolated thunder showers for the province once again. Monday brings a cut-off low to South Africa, and that's going to result in very wet weather over the Eastern Cape and a big drop in temperature over that province as well. And wet weather is expected for the eastern parts of South Africa on Tuesday, while over the central and western parts it will be mostly sunny and dry.